what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a full body workout that you can do at home with zero equipment. So you're going to be able to train every single muscle group on your body, and you're going to do this workout around 3 times per week to build muscle all around your body and build muscle as fast as possible as a skinny guy. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a skinny guy looking for bulking tips and tricks and you want to go from skinny to buff as fast as possible. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you've been following me for a while, make sure after this video to click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout to get started on your weight gain journey. Now, basically how this workout works is we're going to do AMRAP, which is as many reps as possible for every single exercise, and we're going to do 3 sets per exercise. And this is going to help you get muscle fatigue and really train those muscles to exhaustion. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's workout. So that's it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Make sure to check out all the other workouts on the right side of this page and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming workouts. See you in the next one.